Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make ring cookies. It is easy and fun to make with kids or even for yourself. I hope you enjoy this video and I hope you can try it out.
Here are the ingredients. Cream the unsalted butter with a whisk. Sift in powdered sugar and mix well until smooth. Add a pinch of salt. Add a few drops of vanilla extract if you like. Add half beaten egg and mix well. Sift in cake flour, all-purpose flour is okay. Cut through with a spatula to mix. Form it into one. Spread out the batter into a flat sheet or 2 sheets are okay. Put in the fridge for 30 minutes to set. I didn't have a round cookie cutter, so I used tomato. But it is okay, you can trim off the stem later, you will see. Make the ring heads. Then bake in the oven for 12 minutes. After 7 minutes, you may want to rotate the baking sheet to cook evenly. When they are cooked, cool the cookies. Now trim off the tomato stems. Melt the chocolate pen in hot water, or you can use plastic bag and trim off the end. Attach the rings together to reinforce. Now decorate the ring heads. Attach the heads onto the rings. Cool in the fridge to set, and now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
大人サイズになってしまったのですが、すごく可愛くて、そして美味しいです。でもやっぱりね、卵がある方がしっかりとね、もうくっついてすごく強いクッキーができるので、卵をね使える人はぜひ卵を使って作ってください。美味しいです。実はこれを撮影している今日は11月20日、息子の2歳の誕生日です。1歳過ぎたぐらいからね、だんだんやっぱ生活が楽になってはきたんだけど、お世話も楽になるし、だけどやっぱりまだね、家の中バタバタして、2歳過ぎてもバタバタしているので、これからもちょっとね、うまく両立させて動画を作っていきたいと思います。またねー。